Hey car enthusiasts! Welcome back to Car Blitz, where we fuel your passion for everything on four wheels. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button and let's cruise through the latest in the world of cars. A new dawn breaks in the world of luxury automobiles. Prepare to enter a realm where performance and poise dance an exquisite waltz, where technology whispers its secrets in a hushed, silken tone. Tonight, we unveil a masterpiece of engineering, a revolution in elegance, the Rolls-Royce Spectre. Behold the Spectre, a coupe that glides through time, its very form an ode to aerodynamic grace. Its low, wide stance whispers of power, while the elongated silhouette speaks of effortless speed. The iconic Rolls-Royce grille, now reimagined in a luminous phantom black, stands as a sentinel of heritage, guarding the secrets of a century of automotive excellence. Every line, every curve, tells a story of meticulous craftsmanship. The hand-stitched leather, soft as a whisper, invites you into a sanctuary of tranquility. Starlight headliner, a constellation of fiber-optic threads, mimics the night sky, while the bespoke champagne flutes promise moments of refined indulgence. Beneath the hood, a silent storm awaits. The Spectre, in a bold move for Rolls-Royce, embraces the future with a fully electric powertrain. Whisper quiet yet pulse quickening, it delivers a surge of power that belies its serene nature. Glide through moonlit avenues, leaving behind only the soft sigh of the wind. More than just a car, the Spectre is an experience. It is a statement of individuality, a testament to your discerning taste. It is the dawn of a new era, where luxury transcends the tangible and embraces the ethereal. Own the night. Own the future. Own the Rolls-Royce Spectre. Thanks for tuning into Car Blitz. If you enjoyed the ride, hit like, subscribe, and don't forget to cruise back for more. Until next time, drive safe and stay tuned for more car goodness.